Saluyot, alam ko, maraming hindi kakain ng saluyot. I have fried fish, Miski, and then that's from the party yesterday. I don't really cook this fish. My friend cooked fish yesterday, so I just get some, bring home. Nagbalot ba? Nag-sharon ako ng ano. Oh, sus. Ayan, konti. Wala, patayin ko na yung apoy. Ilan lang mang buhay nitong ano. I try to put ginger, Miski. The problem, ginger have already mold something. It's been too long in the refrigerator. Oh, that's it. Okay, ano na. Huwag natin kubiran. Yes, Miski. Thanks, Miski. Oh, I have my rice. I have to get also. Ay, hindi ako mag-ali rice, si Grace. Alam mo, ang baon ko kahapon, ay baon. Ang kinuha ko lang na rice kahapon, ito lang. May bihon pa akong dala. Si Chris o rice. Kunti lang i-rice to si Chris. Oy, ano tayo, parang Japanese style na ba? Na itong isang ano lang, kung makaya ko ba? Hi, ciao. Yes, Miski. Yeah, that's it only. Trying to lose weight, Miski. Ay, naku. That's it, Miski. That's the only rice. Let's see for 1 minute. Ooh, delicious. Okay. Uy, baka naluto na siya dito. Ah, Miski. I hope I can share this for you, Miski. Masabihin si Miski, no thanks. Oh, Lord. Kasi si Habi ayaw nito eh. Diba? Yung mga dahon-dahon. Diba si Chris? Ay, naku, Miski. Sarap. Hanapan natin ang saluyot. And then, isang isda. Hala, ang laki ng isda ko na ulo. Makita yan ni Habi mamaya si Chris. Ulo ka talaga yan. May Habi Cansino. Ah, really? Good for you, si Chris. Agin ay nako. Okay lang yun siya sa lumpia and then pero mga ganito. No. That's it, Miski. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Tanawa lang, hindi ako Hindi ako kasi kung magtawag nito. Kung record pa ay nako. Bukas pa or next year ma-upload. Thank you, Miski. I have to end. My phone, Miski, is full. That's why I can't do recording of videos. So I try to do live every time I have something to cook or some event. Thank you so much, Miski. And then Sisi Chris, Sisi MB, maraming salamat. 20 minutes. Ilang minuto na lang. Ano ko nga ng 20 minutes. Yes, let's eat, Miski. Thank you so much. I'll make it at 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Thank you again, Miski. Sisi Chris, thank you. Ayan na, Miski. Let's eat. Ay, sayang. Thank you, guys.